Okay, so now I'm currently trying to just re-import this file with a new file, but it is saying there were an issue with the import. So if I try to just click re-import, it is saying the same. So what is the issue? So we need to open up the model. So after that, we need to go like here, the file path. So after that, we need to clear the source file information. Okay, so it's done. Now we need to go to here, browse the new source file path. Now we will select this one, like this is maybe 29, maybe this is let me choose 29. Yeah, this is 29. Now if I try to save this one, and if I go and re-import with new file. So if I choose the 29, you see the new file is re-imported. Browse to asset. If I try to click re-import, this is solved. The import is done.